watched your video 5 times already. Kasi sobrang miss na kita eh. Anyway,
narealize ko na mas out of all lahat ng tao na makasama ko, iba pa rin talaga yung presence mo. Presence mo pa lang, yun, kahit sa Skype lang, text mo lang, ganyan. Super saya ko na agad. Gusto ko na kitang kasama rito. Ipapagbayabang kita sa mga workmates ko, sa mga ganyan. Na kahit sa mga taong tao sa paligid na may confidence mo na pagandang babae, ganyan. Feeling ko kapag kasama kita, alam mo naman, super saya. Tapos, kakantahan kita. When you smile, everything's in place. I waited so long, can't make no mistake. All I am, reaching out to you. I can't be scared, gotta make a move. While we're young, come away with me. Keep me close and don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale ending. Take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you. I love you, baby. Please be my